Wholesome Ottolengi Mediterranean Salad, Keto, Vegetarian, Vegan Delight. Are you looking for a delicious and healthy salad that fits your keto, vegetarian, or vegan diet? Look no further. Introducing our Wholesome Ottolengi Mediterranean Salad, the perfect combination of flavors and nutrients to satisfy your cravings. This salad is inspired by the renowned chef Wholesome Ottolengi's culinary expertise. It's packed with vibrant Mediterranean ingredients that will leave your taste buds dancing with joy. Start by preparing a bed of fresh greens, like spinach or arugula. These leafy greens provide a fantastic source of vitamins and minerals. Feel free to mix and match according to your preference. Next, add a generous helping of roasted cherry tomatoes. The slow roasting process brings out their natural sweetness and intensifies their flavor. It's a burst of tanginess that complements the other ingredients beautifully. Now, let's talk about the star of this salad, creamy, dreamy avocado slices. These healthy fats add a velvety texture and a rich, buttery taste. They are a great source of monounsaturated fats, perfect for a keto or vegan diet. To enhance the flavors further, we'll add some tangy marinated artichoke hearts. They provide a lovely contrast to the creaminess of the avocado and deliver a burst of Mediterranean goodness in every bite. For an extra protein boost, we'll sprinkle on some crumbled feta cheese. Its saltiness perfectly balances the other flavors in the salad. If you're vegan, you can substitute it with a plant-based alternative like tofu or vegan cheese. To tie everything together, we'll drizzle a zesty lemon and olive oil dressing over the salad. This citrusy dressing adds a refreshing kick and brings out the flavors of the other ingredients. And there you have it, our Wholesome Ottolengi Mediterranean Salad, a keto, vegetarian, and vegan delight that will leave you feeling nourished and satisfied. It's a harmonious medley of flavors, textures, and nutrients that you can enjoy guilt-free. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and nutritious ideas. Stay healthy, stay happy.